Hello, this is a quick video to troubleshoot issues that some of students, so if you're seeing this, you're probably having some issues that are logging on to Edpuzzle. So I'm just going to walk you through how to log on to Edpuzzle, and it's really easy. You're just probably kind of messing up one little step. All right, so there's two ways. So the first thing you can do is you can just type in edpuzzle.com. Okay, and it's going to take you to this page here, and you're going to hit login. Now, mine for some reason defaults to this like home, which I think has to do with like being a teacher maybe. But if for some reason that pops up, you want to click the little puzzle, and the little puzzle button will take you back to this home page. So edpuzzle.com, literally that's what it says. You're going to hit login. We are not clicking on that original link that I sent you because that is a join the class. The class, you've already joined it, everyone's in, I've closed the class out. So you are going to hit login. You're a student, and you do not type your login information here. You scroll down, and you hit sign in with Google, and then you're going to go ahead and pick your FCPS schools account. Almost everyone has logged in. I'll send you your username just to verify, but everyone should have been logged in with their school email. So once you click that, it'll take you right to the home page, and it'll have your assignments posted. So that's kind of the first way. The second way is in emails. Typically when I send them to you or when I post them on Google Classroom, like links to the Edpuzzle, I'll post the link to the assignment. So you can click on it and it'll open immediately. Let me like paste it in. Sorry, I'm grabbing it from my monitor. So it's something like this. And then you hit it like this and it'll take you directly to this link. And again, you're still going to sign in. And once you sign in here, it will automatically bring you up to, like, for example, Edpuzzle 3, right? Or Edpuzzle 4, whatever you're working on. So those are the two ways that you can log on. Try this out. If it's still not working, please email me. We'll figure it out, but don't worry, we'll get you in. Okay, have a good day.